throughout this video, you're going to learn how to make freelancing a profitable business model for yourself. And it's a great way to generate side income for yourself. It's a great way to supplement affiliate marketing income. Whatever the case might be for you, freelancing is a fabulous way to earn a living on the internet. There's so many different methods you can use right now to start earning income as a freelancer. No matter how little money you have in your bank or how much money you have in your bank, you can start earning an income with freelancing right away. And we're going to try to show you how to tap into the different opportunities waiting for you related to freelancing. Basically, with freelancing is you're just providing services for other business owners. Now, when I say business owners, this would include internet business owners. So with freelancing, you're just providing a basic service for business owners. And we're going to cover what those services might be that you can offer people. And every single day, more and more and more, hundreds of people are turning to the internet to start businesses online. And they need people like you to help them. And so they're looking for people like you to help them with writing or graphics or whatever the case might be. There are people looking for it. It's what's so great about freelancing, like I mentioned, it's a proven effective strategy for earning money online in even down times. When times are even rough, there's still plenty of money to be made with freelancing online. It's very simple to do and implement, and they're basic tasks that you do pretty much every day, no matter how new you are on the internet. Some of these tasks are very simple, even very repetitive tasks that you can do to start making money with freelancing. All it takes to start making a successful side income or successful income overall online, or even a full-time income with freelancing, is focus and action. That's all it takes to succeed as a freelancer online. If you can focus your attention on the projects that you get and then take action again on those projects and do good work for people, you will get more business than you can handle. You have plenty of referrals, and the key part is finishing projects on time. That's very, very important aspect of freelancing.